today, I said today, we will be cooking cucumber noodles. The ingredients we're gonna use, we got avocados, tomatoes, mushrooms, bell peppers, and onions. I know y'all see it. It's really looking real yummy. Let's go and get into it. First thing that we need to do is we need to chop this up first. Chop all your other ingredients up before you touch your cucumber. Take notes. By the way, I did wash my food off. Just to let y'all know before I even start the whole thing. We're gonna chop up the mushrooms. Okay, so we kind of want to make the mushrooms a little big to supplement the meat. It's gonna taste like chicken. So you know, kind of dice them up a little bit. Tomatoes, kind of want to diced up. Not too big, not too small. Y'all gonna see why. Kind of think I should have got the look.
He really would.
I really will make a song called Flavor Town. You want to break up your onions though. A lot of people be having them together.
You gonna get a close up on the mincing that's going on right here?
You want to break your onions up. Make sure y'all wash your hands too before y'all come in the kitchen.
Period. And look at his face because he was serious.
Serious, like, so he can't eat at everybody's house.
That is a thumbnail.
Facts.
Cause you should have seen how you just look.
You cannot eat at everybody's house, man.
For real. It's true.
They put a bug in your meal. He would mistake it as salt.
That's nasty.
Next we have the bell peppers.
True, we have no tomatoes, we have onions, and we have some yellow bell pepper.
It's getting kind of crowded, but we gonna make it work. Trick with your avocado, if you want to cook with your avocado, I've really been experimenting. You want to cook with your avocado, you kind of want your avocado like not too right, but right. Like, feel the consistency. My thumb not going all the way through, but it's still,
Yeah, it's not squishy.
it's cooking type shit. That's what you want when you cook with avocado.
So what's gonna be coming to this channel? Just cooking?
No, that's more than cooking, baby. It's
You're right.
cooking is just one of the segments that I'm gonna be doing. You know what I'm saying? My pictures and stuff like, dang, we gonna do a cooking video. I got you. My boy.
Boy.
Bump with me. Leave a like and comment. We gonna get right. We gonna get right. See, look, when you cut your avocado, it should be like this. Don't mind my fingers now. But when you cut your avocado, it should be like this. It's not too squishy, but yeah, it's how you want to cook with it. Shit.
Okay, yeah.
Wash that off. How you want to bake? You want to slice, or you want to slice like this?
Like that.
Right on. Good choice.
It's just better to eat when they're like
I'm gonna leave it like
sliced.
that, man. Okay, now We gonna saute it first. While we saute it, we gonna slow cook it so all the flavors marry each other. Exactly. You thought I was gonna say marinate.
So what are we doing here?
Slapping some butter on her. You know what I'm talking about?
Butter make it taste better. Butter make it taste better.
But we're gonna use something else when we cooking it. Let the skillet heat up. A lot of people don't know this trick. You put it on high, and then after you put it on high, you lower it down. Don't leave it on high.
Okay, so what we moving to next? We got our vegetables.
We finna let it simmer up how it's doing right now. And once it gets to how it is right now, we're gonna add everything. Now, I'm gonna start doing the what you call it, man? The goddamn onion powder. Just drizzle some on. Even though we got onions, you still need onion powder. The garlic powder. The twins.
So there's onion powder, garlic powder.
You add to your liking. I like my food spicy, so we got them red peppers.
Me too. I like spicy. Okay, don't go crazy, babe. Well, he knows how much he needs, but that shit is gonna have some spice.
Like you did yesterday?
Yeah.
Hey, okay. I was like, God damn. Oh, paprika.
Ooh, I love paprika.
I told you I was gonna use the measurement, but I can't. That's not how I cook. I'm sorry.
Everybody cooks uniquely in their own ways.
I said a teaspoon of paprika. God damn it. This salt, so be careful, you feel me? We don't really like to use a lot of salt. It's that Creole seasoning.
Oh yeah.
You feel me? Parsley. About a half a teaspoon. We're not gonna play.
Damn.
Perfect.
It actually smells really good.
Hold on, baby. Yeah. No. Let me go throw some of this up in there.
Brittany gonna turn it.
Deal. Hold on. I ain't even do it right. Deal. This is gonna give it a different type of flavor. You feel me?
If you ain't sneezing, you ain't seasoning right.
Can I get a
Cause my nose is
amen.
Amen. I really say Ashe, but
no, can I get a Ashe?
Ashe.
Thank you. Now what we finna get into. I was gonna put some spinach in there, but I don't think I am. It's already a lot of, you know what I'm saying? Now we're gonna let this.
Maybe we can let it die down and then add the spinach.
Huh?
Maybe we let it like cook down or something. Maybe we can add it then, or it might be good how it is. Who knows?
What we're gonna do is we'll let it simmer down, let the flavors, you know what I'm talking about. Do the do. While we do what we do. We all do.
Okay.
Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it back for.
Ooh. Watch your fingers.
You ever watch Sausage Party? No, too. Damn.
Be careful. And make sure you turn around and check the
Food back.
Yes. We're gonna come over here and get another look up close and personal. Looks pretty good.
My goddamn peeler got jammed up.
They don't come nowhere over here.
See, now once you get to this ain't gonna cut like the middle part.
You childish. Do I get your... What happened?
Make sure y'all subscribe.
Subscribe to the channel for more interesting recipes with
Elevation.
Mr. Wisdom.
The Chef Wisdom.
Chef Wisdom.
Okay.
Looks pretty good. Smell test? Pretty
This
good.
shit smells amazing.
Yeah, it smells good. I'm sorry, y'all can't smell it through here, but
God
it
damn.
smells, the aroma is aroming.
It's aroma in the room. Facts. Now we're gonna turn it up a little bit. The cucumber noodles. As y'all can see.
Y'all, cucumber noodles. Have y'all ever seen a
I
site?
ain't never seen nothing like that, babe.
Nope, ain't never. Yep, don't forget to throw that over there.
And this was one cucumber. We just did what we had with what we had. You know what I'm talking about?
Make nothing in something. Well, that does count for something because it's definitely food, but.
And it's healthy.
This is for the vegans.
You know what I'm saying?
For anybody, really.
That's really why I made it for the vegans. You know what I'm talking about? Y'all be talking about we ain't got enough recipes. Here y'all go. Let's go. Let's get it on. This you man.
It's that seasoning, y'all.
Telling you. Hemp oil.
Y'all ain't got no chicken broth?
Hemp oil.
Oh, I guess that has the same effect.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, y'all, but I ain't never heard of no hemp oil. I don't know what that is.
Yeah, hold on.
Plant-based.
Then we got
Interesting.
some olive oil. Feel me? This is a little capful. 2 capfuls of that. 3 capfuls. Because it's a lot. I'm trying to calculate. Eyeball. Yeah. Oh my God, baby, this shit finna go down.
Smells real good.
They probably like, ain't no way to heat. Yes, I did.
I showed it.
I don't even want to taste it. I want it to be a surprise. Like,
You know, y'all are gonna get our reaction.
oh, we got to, man.
No, it does not. Don't come in here doing that.
Don't be asking for nothing either.
Oh, I'm definitely gonna ask.
Oh yeah.
He said I'm definitely gonna ask. Y'all see that? He
I'm not gonna lie. Look at it right there.
the amazingness.
Cucumber noodles.
Cucumber noodles.
It's so good.
So I'm gonna come
Get
get
back.
Matter of fact, let me get my bowl ready for
You gonna lose a
What
finger.
is the bowl ready?
what's going on in here.
You gonna mess around and lose a finger.
Yes, sir.
He got him a paper plate ready.
Let's go down.
We gonna see if he gets some though.
Oh, yeah.
You
No,
gonna
I'm
get
just
that
playing.
taste.
Remember the message is give to receive.
Every time.
Where I cut the
Show 'em what it
camera
look
off?
like, babe.
Oh yeah. That looks real good. Alright, y'all, well, we gonna catch
Get back
y'all.
at you.
Yeah, we gonna catch y'all during the taste test.
As y'all can see, now it is, you know when it's done when the onions are soft. Now I'm finna go and put it on the plate and let's get go.
Let's go. Hey, oh, gotta relax.
It's the end product, it's consistency of what it look like. We gonna do a couple taste tests so people see what it, you know what I'm talking about, jiggle.
Yeah, no. Okay, I didn't get any yet, so I'm just blow it out. Oh, good. It tastes like good.
Okay, so now look, you gotta taste it though.
It's very good looking. Oh shoot. Okay.
I'm trying to tell y'all, he likes that.
Wrong.
I know it.
You want something? It's good. It's spicy.
Yeah, I know it. I told you I like it spicy, man.
People mushrooms, cucumbers, tomatoes.
Why you say that, Destiny?
I'm sorry. But taste it.
It don't taste like, it tastes like chicken. For real though.
I ain't gonna say chicken.
I ain't gonna say chicken.
Oh yeah. 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 This nigga eating with a butter knife. Oh God, I'm not watching shit. What is hitting for?
Let me see it.
What's hitting for? So now, y'all seen it. Y'all seen that reaction. That's the end of the video. I'm finna obliterate this plate like I'm not playing. Been fasting all day. Get with me with the next recipe if y'all want to get down to get down. Let's go.